a number, graph the solution of in each inequality. So first I'm going to deal with this first inequality. So to deal with this inequalities, so I'm going to so in first phase we have to get at least two coordinate point. Okay, coordinate means like you may know that x axis and x coordinate and y coordinate. Those things we are going to get it, and so I'm using first inequality. So from first, okay, from first inequality, that is y is less or equal to x minus 3. So we have to convert this inequality into equation. So this is your first step, and now you can simply make one table of getting coordinate point, two coordinate points. So I'm going to write x and y, and I'm going to create it. So you can get, so normally what we do, why to get the coordinate, normally we keep first time in for getting first coordinate, I can keep x as 0. So if I keep x as 0, what will be the value of y? So you can do those things in the rough column also. So I'm using this part as rough column. So y equals to x minus 3. So I am in the first step, I'm keeping x as 0, 0 minus 3. So the value of y will come minus 3. If you are keeping x equals to 0, that means x you are keeping by yourself, y will be reflected, that is y equals to minus 3. So this is your first coordinate. I'm going to name it as a. So we also have to get another coordinate also. It is compulsory, at least two coordinate is important. You can get for 3 4 also, but normally 2 is enough. Okay, so now I'm going to get for second coordinate. So the second time I will like to give y as 0. So that will be more fun. Actually, you can keep any value. Okay, remember, you can keep any value. You can keep even one as x as 1 also. So whatever you like. Okay, anything you can do. So if I keep y as 0, then that will be more easier. So what will happen if I keep y as 0? Again, I'm doing that in rough column only. So our equation is this only. So I'm keeping y as 0. My value of x will come. So 3 will go to that side. So value of x will come 3. So if I keep x as 0, then sorry, y at 0, then x value comes 3. So your coordinate is, therefore, a 0 comma minus 3 is first point, and b 3 comma 0 is second coordinate. Okay. Okay, now you can see here there is second inequality also. So second inequality we cannot create any table for this because there is no y only, there is x only. So you can simply write from second inequality you can write, and then that is x x is less than 4. If you convert it into equation, it will look x equals to 4. Okay, so simply it's like this. And now you can go to your, okay, so you have to plot this point and this x equals to 4 in your graph copy. Now your second phase starts. So in second phase, we have to start our graph. So I'm going to show you everything in the graph. Okay, now I'm going to plot this in graph paper. So our first point is 0 comma minus 3. Yes, so a 0 comma minus 3 means I'm going to plot it 0 comma minus 3. Okay, your x value is 0, so it is here only. Minus 3 means I have to come downward. Okay, I'm using one box as one unit, so 1 2 3. So 0 comma minus 3 will be here. This is my point A. Okay, after this I have to plot for point B, so that is 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 means, okay, your x coordinate is 3, 1 2 3, y coordinate is 0, so your thing will stop here only. So this is your point B. Okay, and I have to make one line. Okay, you can just right now just focus on understanding only because I have recorded it. It will be again available in Google Classroom. Okay, I'm making one big line like this from, okay, like this. You can see here I have make one line joining this point AB, but you can see I have covered all the part of my graph paper because I don't know where the things is going to get. Okay, now shading thing, I want to do the say shading thing also. So now how to do the shadow towards origin direction or towards away from origin. So this is our origin definitely. So your line, your side may you doing making a shadow from this line could be from towards this direction also, or maybe towards this direction. So how to know that is we have to check the origin test. So to check the origin, I have to go to return to my inequality equation. So our inequality equation is like this. Y is, so you can do origin test in your rough column only. So origin test I'm going to do. So that is right now is y is, and while doing origin test, you have to use this inequality sign only. Y is less or x minus 3. Now you have to tell me it is true or false. Okay, so 0 minus 3. So last time whoever has missed the class would be helpful for you. So 0 is less or equals to minus 3. So what do you say? This is true or false?